when Spirit says get a message out, you go on camera however you look. Because sometimes it's now or never. Sometimes the message is there only in that moment. And then it's wiped from your mind because it was only meant to get out at that time. I was just asked to deliver a message. I had someone deliver me a message this morning about Isaiah 35:4. And it's always beyond there. Like, it's never that straightforward. The message is never extremely clear. You've often got to go down the rabbit hole. And I just kept reading. And I found the deeper message. The message was Isaiah 35:4. But it was also further down when they started talking about an open road. And I was going to come here and talk about Isaiah 35:4. And I had my Bible open to it. And then I looked down and all of a sudden, I wasn't in Isaiah anymore. But yet I didn't turn a page. And this Bible doesn't really turn pages. Like, it's a pretty soft Bible. It's pretty flexible. And it opened up to Matthew 6:21, which is where my eyes were immediately drawn and where my grandmother had underlined. And it says, "For where your treasure is, there will your heart be also." I pulled some cards with my friend last night. She pulled some for me, and then we were led to this deck called Rumi. And it talked more than once about gems and jewels and treasure. And if you remember one of my other videos, I also was led to a book on my shelf that talked about jewels that were never used, that were basically these gifts that were wasted because people were thinking about all the things that they had lost. They were focusing on 222. They were focusing on all of the negative things. And what I want to say with this scripture this morning is when it says, "For where your treasure is, there your heart be also," it's talking about, at least in my eyes, it's talking about that if you've lost something, look for the things that you do value, because that's where you're going to find your heart again. Surround yourself with your treasures, your jewels, and know that they're just that.